Creativity in Africa.
We Go Innovate presents GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. We have junior scientist Fortunatus Agya-BAAH Takyi. He constructs a mowing machine. Fortunatus is a student of Moonlight International School, located in the Upper East region of Ghana. For this experiment, Fortunatus needs a cutout milk tin, cells, a piece of wood, a motor, a switch, blades, and a disc. Now let's see what this junior scientist can do.
First, I cut out a piece of plastic. I pierce a hole through the plastic using a divider. And then I begin the process of mending the blades onto the disc. First, I pour some small glue on the disc, put the blade on it. I put some ash to make sure that it sticks properly. I take the milk tin and I cut a strip off. I perforate holes in the strip of the milk tin. And then I attach the motor to the piece of wood using the cutout milk tin. So I'm using this plastic as a stopper to prevent my disc from touching the motor. I turn it, making sure that the blades are not on top of the CD but rather beneath it. I turn the machine, I take my cells and I mend them to the stick with the help of my sellotape. I connect my wires to my switch.
Fortunatus must connect the wire to the battery and other components for the current to flow from the battery.
I turn on my switch and there you can see the machine is completed and is ready for use.
A machine makes work easier and faster. For a machine to work, current must flow from the battery to cause it to turn. A mowing machine is used for weeding or for clearing weedy or bushy areas. It works faster and easier than a hoe or a cutlass.
My name is Fortunatus Agya-BAAH Takyi from Moonlight International School Year 3. Kindly vote for my experiment on how to create a mowing machine.
Now that was a useful experiment, wasn't it? Do you think Fortunatus deserves your vote? Now vote for Fortunatus Agya-BAAH Takyi, Moonlight International School, Upper East region of Ghana at www.wegoinnovate.org. You can vote as many times as you want. It's free. This is a useful machine to have at home. You can try this experiment at home by yourself or with your friends from school. Also, make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.
Comment, subscribe.